Assalamualaikum, a very good day, my dear friends and colleagues. This is a very quick walkthrough video of how do we run similarity analysis and AI detection analysis via our Turnitin. Disclaimer, I'm not a pro. There's a lot of things that I need to still learn about Turnitin, but I do hope that this video would be sufficient. Okay, so let's click launch in our main menu. And there are two ways in which we can go about getting this analysis done. Number one is by sharing a folder in which students will have to upload the documents themselves. And the second method would involve students forwarding us with the documents, we upload, and we run the analysis. So I'm going to show you both ways. So creating a folder in the main files, click add folder, and then you write down the name of your respective supervisee, or maybe you want to create one generic name so that you can share this folder with multiple supervisees that you have, and click add. So a folder is created. Go to the three dots, click edit, and then allow student submission link. Just turn this on, and you'll have this expiry date, which will expire in about 24 hours time. And what you need to do is just to click copy. So it's copied. And the most sensible place for you to share the link with your students is via WhatsApp. Alamak, saya lupa nak padam ni. Padam dulu. Okay, so assuming that we are sharing this link with our student, or maybe you have a WhatsApp group with all your supervisees, it is a long link. All right, so it's shared. So as your supervisee, cakap dia tak betul, your supervisor can either click the link directly and they'll be brought here. And sometimes the link is not clickable. So sometimes even if they click the link, it will lead to a page that is not working out well, error page and whatnot. So if that happens, your students need to copy this link and paste it in the browser and then click enter. So they'll be brought here. So what the students need to do is to write down their name. So if you are sharing this particular link with multiple students, so they would be required to type down their name so that it will be easy for you to identify which file belongs to whose. Macam itulah. So say for example, I'm just going to write down here, and they need to write down their email for which notification will be sent to. Select file that requires to be analyzed. So I'm going to take chapter 2, for example. Click agree and submit. So if there are multiple files that students need to upload, they cannot do this in one go. They have to do this according to the number of files that they have. Kalau ada 5 kalilah kena upload macam ni. So click OK. And then the files are submitted to Turnitin, and the Turnitin will run the analysis for us jugalah. So assuming that I'm a student, now I have received this notification from Turnitin saying that the analysis is a success. They'll be provided with a notification, but no information with regard to percentage will be indicated here. Only you as the supervisor has the access to that information. Okay, itu ialah for the side of the student. So going back to our role as a supervisor, so this is the folder that we have created in which students have uploaded the file and the analysis has been done. So the similarity index is 5%. If we click this particular document, all right, so this is the similarity index in which we'll be downloading the report here. The AI detection is this one. As you can see, it's 47%. Okay. So you'll be given this information breakdown: AI generated text and AI paraphrase text. And both of these percentages combined should not exceed 30%. So when the percentage has exceeded 30%, then students are required to redo and work on improving those AI generated and paraphrase text so that it become less than 30%. Okay, there will be time, for example, okay, so that is how you share a folder and how analysis is done when students upload the files themselves. But as a supervisor, we can also run the analysis for students with the files that being forwarded to us. So I believe that everybody is familiar with this process. Click upload, select file. So I'm going to do with these three files, click open. So because I've uploaded multiple files, we have all this listed down here. So click confirm. Seperti biasa, internet cap ayam, kena tunggu sekejap. Tunggu je layar. So I'm not going to edit this video. It will be as it is because editing and rendering the video is going to take hours. So hopefully this will be done very swiftly. All right, so I have chapter 5 ready. So if I were to click this, all right, so the similarity is 2%. Alamak. Okay, this is worth sharing. When you have something like this, and when you are in fact sure that the files that you have uploaded is within this word range or word count, for turning in to run the analysis, our text or our document should have more than 300 words, but not more than 30,000 words. I'm sure that this is not exceeding 30,000 words. So you have to run the analysis again, maybe during less busy time, so that you will be able to garner or yield the index. So let us have a look at the other files that I've analyzed as well. Maybe I have better luck with them. Chapter 4. Okay, this is nice. So we have similarity index, 5%. All right. So AI writing is detected as 0%, which is fine. But sometimes you also have, I'm looking for that particular notification. Sabana, sekejap, sekejap. Let's see whether I can get that for chapter 3. Sometimes you will be given with slightly different looking notification for AI writing. Something like this. Okay, so if you are provided with this information after you've run the analysis, it is not 0%, it is not, nothing is stated here. That means that for this particular document, the Turnitin has detected that AI used text is 20% or lesser. Okay, so this is fine. You don't have to get students to redo that particular chapter. Alright, so itu sahaja daripada saya. Semoga ini membantu harap-harapnya dan semoga kita sama-sama menjaga integrity dan credibility of this particular assessment and that students submit original work. Alright, itu sahaja. Terima kasih. Bye.